Have you ever noticed she views your stories but doesn't reply to your messages? It's puzzling, right? Let's uncover this mystery together. Sometimes she watches your every move online but stays silent in your chats. This behavior isn't about playing games. It's about curiosity. She's interested but unsure. Instead of chasing her for answers, focus on yourself. Live your life fully. When you stop seeking her attention, she might just come to you. The trap of constant giving. What if always giving and chasing pushes her away instead of bringing her closer? Many believe that giving more time, compliments, gifts will win her heart, but too much can feel overwhelming. It's like overwatering a plant. It doesn't thrive. Instead, balance is key. Show you care, but also give space. Let her miss you. This balance creates a healthy connection. The power of your own life. Could focusing on your own life make her more interested in you? When you have goals, hobbies, and passions, you become more attractive. Living a fulfilling life shows confidence and independence. It's not about ignoring her, but about not making her your entire world. When she sees you're content on your own, she'll be drawn to your energy. The value of scarcity. Why does being less available make you more desirable? People often want what they can't easily have. If you're always available, your presence might be taken for granted. But when you occasionally take time for yourself, it creates intrigue. She'll start to wonder about you, and that curiosity can reignite her interest. Emotional control is strength. Can staying calm and composed make you more appealing? Reacting with anger or desperation can push her away. But when you handle situations with calmness, it shows maturity. Emotional control isn't about hiding feelings, it's about managing them. This stability makes her feel safe and respected around you. Confidence from within. Is true confidence about more than just looks or money? Real confidence comes from knowing your worth, not from external things. When you're confident in who you are, you don't need constant validation. This self-assurance is attractive. She'll notice your inner strength and be drawn to it. The magnetism of purpose. Does having a purpose make you more magnetic? When you're passionate about something, be it work, art, or a cause, you radiate energy. This passion is contagious. It shows you're driven and focused. She'll admire your dedication and might want to be part of your journey. The allure of mystery. Can being a bit mysterious keep her intrigued? Sharing everything at once can leave no room for curiosity. But when you reveal yourself slowly, it keeps her engaged. Let her discover new things about you over time. This unfolding keeps the connection exciting and fresh. 2. The strength in letting go. Is stepping back sometimes the best way to move forward? Holding on too tightly can strain a connection. Sometimes giving space allows both of you to reflect and grow. If she's meant to be in your life, she'll return. Trusting this process shows maturity and self-respect. Embracing inner peace. Can finding peace within yourself change your relationships? When you're content and at peace with yourself, you don't rely on others for happiness. This independence is powerful. It allows you to form connections based on mutual respect, not neediness. She'll feel this balance and be more drawn to you.